Listen guys, can we turn 2GR Wagyu into a dessert? Fuck yeah we can.
Hello, my check 1, 2.
So I'm going to be making a sticky toffee pudding. I know what you're thinking, why change a great sticky toffee pudding recipe? Well, with all the changes that are happening in the fucking world, I thought, why the fuck not? Okay, so first I need to make the crisp for the dessert. So I've made this mixture like a caramel using almond milk, but what I've done is I've added a little bit of wattle seed in there, just for that little bit of coffee note. Wattle seed is incredible stuff. If you're not using it at the moment, you definitely need to get it on your menus. It's just a beautiful aroma and a beautiful flavor, and it's just nice to use something different. What I like to do is just literally lightly spread that all over my tray. Try and get it as even as possible. And pop that in the oven for about 8 minutes. Okay guys, so that's now come out of the oven. It is caramelized beautifully. So we take it off the tray carefully, prevent burning yourself. And then what we want to do while it's still warm is just cut some rings from it. Best just to let it cool down a little bit, otherwise it's quite sticky. So get your ring, cut some rings, create a shape, and that's it. Allow that to cool down just a little bit because it's still hot, still warm. But it's tasty. But it's nice because you can smell this beautiful aroma of the wattle seed, that nice coffee note. It's incredible stuff. You need to use it if you're not using it. So it's still quite warm. We'll let that cool down. Okay, so let's plate up the dessert. So what I've made here is a date sponge, but what I've done is I've replaced some of the butter in the recipe with Wagyu fat. So what I've done here is I've made a really rich caramel sauce, replacing the butter with Wagyu fat. So we're gonna pour a little bit of that on the side there, and then we're gonna add some crumbs. So all the trimmings that I get from the sponge, I dehydrate, and then I just use it as a crumb to be able to put on the side where the ice cream's gonna go. Then we're gonna add some nice purple flowers that are from the garden. I think like a dish like this, like people would naturally be drawn to a green color, but I think this type of color with purple just works really well. Then we got the crisp that we made earlier. So we're just gonna put this directly on top. So when they go into the sponge, they've got this nice crunch to go through first. It's almost like this brittle texture on your teeth, which is pretty cool. But it's got this nice wattle seed flavor with the whole dish. It's beautiful. Then to finish it off, my favorite, lemon verbena ice cream. I just think lemon verbena ice cream going with this type of dessert is just next level. And there you have it guys, sticky toffee pudding my way. Wagyu toffee pudding using 2GR Wagyu fat. Can't get any better than that. And before you ask, why change a great recipe? Why not? Thanks guys.